In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to add Marketing Hub goals to a lead record. If you scroll down on the lead record within CRM, you can see that we can see the Marketing Hub campaigns that we have sent them. We can see whether they opened them, but we cannot see whether their goals, what kind of goals they have accomplished. And as marketers, we can look inside of the Zoho Marketing Hub, but people that only have access to the CRM, they cannot do that. And so, it's good for CRM users, sales reps, and people to see what goals have been completed. So today I'm going to show you how to reveal that information. So the first thing we need to do is create a field in CRM. And we're going to call this field Marketing Hub Goals. It does have to be a pick list value. It can't be a multi-line or a single line text. We're just going to put it right down here under description. Let's see. Goals. And this is where you'll create your goals. So we have three goals that we just added here in CRM. Download a white paper 1, download a white paper 2, and interested in digital marketing. And so when we create new goals, we'll have to come in here to Zoho CRM and actually add another field. So if you have a new goal, if you want to track another download, you're just going to add it right in here. So here's this enable history tracking for pick lists. This is what is going to enable us to show the goals on the CRM lead or contact record. And so you can see here Marketing Hub Goals is selected. So we are good there. That means that every time this field changes, it's going to save it on the CRM record. So let me just show you that. If we were to be in, let's go to our leads. Let's refresh this test lead. If we scroll down, you can now see this new list, and CRM automatically put this here, Marketing Hub Goals History. And what that's going to do is it's going to track your Marketing Hub goals. So as you achieve goals, see, and I'll show you this in a moment, but once a Marketing Hub goal is successful, it's going to push it here as achieved. It's going to change this field to whatever goal you just achieved. And you can see that downloaded white paper 1 February 1st 11:42 a.m. and say you were to go on and create another, like if they were to complete a goal on that we've created in Marketing Hub called Interested in Digital Marketing, they would create that. And if we scroll down here, you can see that it is now displayed as goal achieved. And so this is how you can actually track goals over time that have been completed. So now let's go over here to, we now have this new field, Marketing Hub Goals. We come in here to Marketing Hub, the first thing we have to do is we have to either create a new CRM synchronization or we have to edit an existing one. So in my case, I'm going to edit an existing one. We're going to do edit mapping. We're going to come down here and choose map more fields. And it's going to be Marketing Hub Goals. And in my case, I already have a field in Zoho CRM called Marketing Hub Goals, but if you do not, you can select this new field and it'll automatically create that. We're going to choose add. Okay, so we're going to choose initiate. Now this is going to do our synchronization. And so now let's go ahead and create a goal. We did have a goal in here called interested in digital marketing, so let's create that one. If we are here in Web Assist, websites, click on your website, click on goals, we're going to create goal. I'm going to say interested in digital marketing. So my goal is going to be when someone comes to my website, they click on my testimonials page, and they click on my pricing page, and they come to my implementation and support and click on Zoho Digital Marketing implementation and support. And so when they visit those 3 pages, they're going to achieve this goal of interested in digital marketing because they visited this page and visited our pricing page and our testimonial page. So let's come in here and we'll do interest in digital marketing. We're going to leave all these as the default. We're going to say goal visits a particular page. We're going to say testimonials page and pricing page, and if it's a particular page, it's going to be digital marketing. And so when they visit these 3 pages, this goal is going to be achieved. And so we'll come down here and define goal actions. We're going to want to push data to CRM, select an account, go ahead and configure, and we want to push this to leads, update existing and push new leads. Here's where you would, if you wanted to do contacts, you would select contacts there. Next. So these are the Marketing Hub fields, these are the CRM fields. So by default, you'll have the email and last name. So what we have to do is check this box, push goal name into CRM field. And this is where we'll show us our CRM fields. Now you'll notice that there are only 4 fields here, and that's because this field must be a drop-down field, a drop-down field type. So we're going to choose Marketing Hub Goals, finish. We're going to choose activate. And so now we have this configured so that when someone visits these 3 pages, they're going to achieve this goal, and it's going to update the Marketing Hub goals here in CRM, and it'll be reflected right here. So if you have a goal for, like I said, downloading white papers, a goal for clicking on a specific link or a specific button, those can be, inserted here. And that concludes our video for today. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to visit our website at fbergcrm.com, and we will help you configure some of this. I hope you learned something today. Thanks.